Hello everyone, I'm going to be installing a Windows 11 on the Dell PC.
PC,
So
all right.
I'm going to be using a USB-C
Yeah, USB-C stick.
on the thing.
So this is a Dell portable PC that he's using. Okay, so you're gonna try to turn it on now.
Yeah.
Okay, and so he's turning on the Dell. And after turning it on, make sure he's
Make sure
gonna.
you click F12.
Okay, keep pressing it.
Keep
Put the
pressing it.
keyboard down. Okay,
Yeah.
and then when you're gonna select, I'm
So
gonna
you're
zoom
going to
this in.
select sand.
So that's depending on USB stick. So we go a little bit high, zoom in. So he's gonna be using the UEFI SanDisk. So that's the one that
And
you're
then
gonna
you're going to be going to press
be enter, right?
and then you're going to see the Dell logo on the thing.
I'm gonna zoom a little bit up so we can see how this looks like. Okay, now it's booting up to Dell. Okay.
And then you can choose your thing.
Okay,
English.
now use your language. So he's gonna choose the English for that right now.
US.
Mm-hmm.
Next. Install now. And then
Okay.
here.
Now it's doing the so now the setup is starting. Therefore, we're gonna wait till the next screen. So next screen is gonna show right here. You can see a lot of options when there's 11 for education.
We're gonna use Windows 11 Pro for workstation.
Okay, so we're gonna put for workstation. You can choose any other method you want, but we can try the Pro only. We'll see what happened too. Yeah, let's try the Pro.
Okay.
Yeah, we can try the Pro, and so put the Pro for now, and then make sure you accept the license.
You're gonna put a custom.
Okay, custom. So this is a couple of hot disks that he had to make sure that we're gonna delete all the partition out, so you can show them how you delete it. You highlight first, right?
Yeah.
Okay, highlight each one, and
then
you
until
press delete.
you can't. Until
So
you can't.
delete all of them until you clear it out, so that way we'll keep only one partition. Okay, now you can see it's clear now, and then this guy is about 119 gigabyte. I mean, not that bad. So it's small enough. Not going to be a big storage that because it's a portable desktop. So now you can see it's going through the installation right now. Right, this gonna and it's gonna take a few minutes on this, so you can see that it's going through the process, and after you can go through 100%. It's gonna go through the next update, installing feature, and installing update, and finish it up. We're gonna go through the screen. So let her wait, let her sit, let her finish this first, and we'll go to the next step shortly. Okay, now you can see it's going through the complete now, so it's gonna go to the next step. It's rebooting right now.
Yeah. You want to see the Dell logo?
Okay, it's going through that logo. So this is the first port that is going through round one, the update, starting to install, and then starting some of the service, and it's gonna go to the next screen shortly.
Okay, so is this the right country or region? So after the upload or the update, we're gonna pick our
Your language,
country or region.
Okay, we're gonna use the United States.
Yeah, we're gonna use
because the default is United States that shows first.
Yes.
You say yes.
And then you gotta wait.
Okay, now, and what is the next screen does?
Is it the white keyboard layout or the input method?
Okay.
So just use US or like
US. So we keep at US. That's just the language that they're gonna use. Go all the way up back. Use the US.
You can skip if you want to.
Okay.
What a layout. So we're gonna connect.
Okay, connect. I'm gonna use the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna pause. Okay, now it's
So
connecting the Wi-Fi after you enter your password. So now it's gonna make sure that's gonna get through. Okay, good. So you can see, wait first. After it's connected, your Wi-Fi will say connected, and because it requires that you need connected to the network. All right. So click on. We're gonna go
next.
next. Okay, now it's going through some update. Latest update is still checking on that. It's almost done right now to the next screen. Wait.
Yeah.
You can see now it's still going some more. So thank you for your patience and waiting for the next screen. Stop is okay. Now it's getting good things your way. Okay, now you can tell them what is that? The rebooting now.
Yeah, it's rebooting.
So it's the rebooting. What did that show? 58%. Now it's still doing the reboot. Okay, so it's almost done. Run through the setup. Okay, name your device. So we can put any name for the device, and I normally leave this capital here to keep a capital, right? Make sure it's capital. No, we cannot have the same name. We have to put all one would put. So let's say we can make another name. Okay, let's say test or something. Test. TST. We can change it later. It's okay.
Can I put a Daniel?
No, don't put that
Okay,
new
okay,
name. Just
test,
put the test for now, unless let's say this one we give
Test
to
PC?
our friend. Yeah, you can put test PC dash PC test dash PC. This is a friend I was setting up for them that they need help setting up. So I'm gonna have my boy setting up the PC from to use for the kids. They might need it, to do for the homework, and some setting up two portable Dell desktop to them. Okay, and now it's going through do the stuff right now. Okay, please wait a moment. Okay, so it said right there, set up a work or we can do a school. And normally we will use the second one for school there. And you can set up for personal use as well, but I keep for two up and for work. Now it's gonna ask you if you have a Microsoft sign in. So we skip that by using sign in option instead. Right? And then now we got it. Next one, slow down, Troy. What you gonna say? Which one you gonna use?
Domain join.
Domain join installed instead of using the other one. Okay, now they say enter your name. So let's pick a name on this. It's called test. It's fine. You leave it as a test. And then after you enter a password, I'm gonna pause real quick so you create your own password. Next is gonna ask you for security questions. So you make sure you got the you need about 3 security questions you need to create. And so you create one of two, one of three, two of three, and three of three. So you can pick your answer. You can choose how many. What are the options you can choose? Can you read for that?
What was your first pet name?
Okay. Say some more. Say some more.
What was your name to see where you born? What was your
Okay.
child's nickname?
Okay.
What's the
So
name
this
of
is
the-
your own selection. So you're gonna create. I'm gonna pause real quick. Okay, after that, after you fill in the text, now it's gonna go through all of this. You want to make sure you accept your privacy, and now it's going through the setup process, checking for Windows update, and so it's still going through. Gonna let it run and see how it go. Okay, so this is the whole screen. You can see your update is in progress. We'll take while you wait. You can check out the latest Windows feature. So it's good. It's gonna go through the update right now. And let's wait first. And it said make sure that if you were to set up your thing, you want to make sure that you are plugged into your computer and the power adapter. You want to make sure that you don't run out of battery. You can have a laptop, you can set it up. So here during the break, you can see you can also play game there too while waiting because this gonna sometimes it can take hour as well depending on how old is the computer, how fast is it. That's depend. So this is the game with the Windows 11 feature while during the setup, so at least you don't have to wait too long. You can play at least in the meantime. So I'm gonna let it play how it go. You can see right now it's going through 15%, step one of three downloading right now. Okay,
Yay.
it's going through that.
Yeah, that's it. Why you hating? Because you wanna quit. Yeah, your best things. Okay, guys, the Windows update is done.
Okay, when the computer is done, go.
So we're gonna check for the update.
And so how do you check for update?
Updates.
So all you have to do click search, and then you can just click update. Now you can see a lot of update you have to install. All you have to do is just click on download and update. Do that to ensure that you have the latest patch for Windows 11, and that way you can update. You can see it start downloading a lot of stuff right now. So this might gonna take a few minutes on this. And once that done, you should be all good. And so it's gonna take a few minutes. I'm gonna let it run and let go through that, and then it should be all done with Windows. And you can install all your program manually after that, after it's installed like this. So get it close up. Once done, you can install all your program. You need that, or Office, antivirus. You can install that manually, but this is just the basic Windows 11 installation with that. All right, so hope you have a great day. Hope you have my voice, so you can see this is the first time he's setting up Windows 11 as well. Last time he set up a Mac, Mac on a Mac Mini, and so this is gonna be what is that for our friend, give for a friend that we're gonna set up for them, so that way the kids can use for the school, and hopefully they able to like it, and start to do some homework or browse the internet there if they need so. All right, so you have a great day, and so say bye bye, take care.